Good evening. Today we're going to animate a little section of the walk monster using the simplest method possible using parenting. And to do that, I'm going to prepare the graphic asset first. So I exported the first frame of the walk monster grease pencil object from the Blender file as an SVG file, and I've opened up that SVG file in Inkscape. And the first thing to prepare the drawing that we would have to do is to convert this to a path. So I choose path object to path. And now all of these strokes are path objects. And now we decide to classify different parts of the anatomy uh, so that we can better animate them. So I'm going to take the approach that this is the ankle to the foot area, and this is the calf area. And just as an exercise, I'm going to break down the drawing into two pieces. This would be the first piece, the lower part of the leg, and this would be the second half. And the idea is that we can treat these as two different sort of bones in the chain, where this bone attaches to this bone, and we can animate this chain of bones much more easier if we organize the drawing such that each of these parts is a single uh, curve object. So let's begin by grouping these parts together into one. So I'm going to select all the parts for the lower leg. I think that would do it. So selected the points. I think I've missed one over here. Yeah. And I choose path combine. And it does change the strokes and it looks a little uglier than before. But we don't have to worry about that for now. This is just an experiment to check out if this is an approach that we can use. And now for the other part of the leg. So this is the upper part. Oh, selected the wrong thing. How do I deselect this? Okay. To start again. Okay. Did I miss anything? Okay. And now path combine. Okay, this time it wasn't so destructive. So we should have two parts now. Aha, I missed the second part. So let me combine it with the lower part of the leg. So path combine. Yeah. So this is one part of the leg and this is the other part. And we should be able to animate it much easier if we organize the drawings into these distinct parts. It's almost like a stick puppet where these are the joints and we can flex these joints much easier. I'm just checking once again. There's a stroke here that I think I missed. So I'm going to choose that, choose this, and combine. Okay, so now let's go back to Blender and use this modified SVG file.